So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a magnetic gas bottle level indicator, because sometimes, you know, you just don't know how much is left in it. Sometimes there's loads, sometimes there's not. You pick it up, you move it around, you think, oh, is that full? How heavy was that when I got it? I don't know. Well, this little this little indicator will show you how it works. And it was like £3 on Amazon. Banging. So what I've done is I have picked up one of these magnetic sticky things for the side of the tank, and what that does is that tells you whether your gas, in my case propane, is full or empty. Okay, and it works off of temperature. When you've got a gas bottle going, you'll see that where the gas is, it will freeze up, and you quite often see ice around the base of the bottle. So what it does is this works off of temperature and tells you when the gas bottle is full or empty. Okay, so what we do is we place this onto the side of the gas bottle, and then it tells me if I'm full or not. And there it is on the side of the bottle. Now I've just placed it on there and it's having a bit of a think. It's moving over to show me whether it's full or empty. And what I'll find is this bottle is fairly run down. There's not a lot left in it, but it goes from the heat cycle. So before I started filming, I put it near a heater and it started coming over here, and then slowly it moves over here to the cold area. Okay, and then it will tell you whether it is time to refill or get a new one, almost empty or full. So you can see that line was over here to start with. It's moving its way back over, and it will go back over here and it will tell me if I've got anything in it. And as we can see, it's saying that it's full at the moment, but it's got to go to the next one across. This will eventually show me that it is down here once it's got back to the proper temperature and gathered how cold it is. And you see where I touched it, it changed. If you touch it, the colour changes. So yeah, there's my bottle, almost done, but that is how you use one of these flappy little monkeys. So that is how it's done. You know, my workshop, as always, a bit messy, but you know, it's the way it is. Glad I could help.